Hey guys, so we have an unboxing video here. This is the EZVIZ eLife Smart Home Battery Camera. Now, one of the main things that drew me to this was the fact that it was actually obviously fully wireless. So there's no need for cables to run for power, and obviously there's no need for any Ethernet cables for network. Up to 210 days battery life, which is something I really want to test. 7,800 mAh battery, 32 gigabytes of internal memory inside there already, which is absolutely brilliant. Human detection, IP66 waterproof, night vision, 1080p color night vision, sorry, high fidelity two-way talk, active defense, and 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And yeah, that's it. So I'm going to unbox this. The actual model number is BC1C. That's the actual model number of this camera. So in this video, I'm just going to unbox it and show you what's inside. On the bottom right there, we have Apple Store logo and Google Play. So there is the app that you can download for your smart device. Creating easy smart homes. Let's take this out. One box there. We have a box on top there. And that's come out. So I'm pretty sure that is it in terms of the contents. Let's check these boxes. So we have an EZVIZ service card. Okay, so we have a mounting sticker, so you'd stick that to the wall or wherever so you can mark the holes out where mounting the camera. Quick start guide. That's good. So in the second box, so we have a micro USB charging lead. We have the mount as well. There's like a ball mount there which can be tightened at certain angles. Screws and raw plugs. Power adapter, nice to see. So these sort of look similar in size. So I'm guessing there might be a couple of different ways to mount this camera. So here it is. So that fits in the palm of my hand pretty much. There's a little bit of a weight to it. EZVIZ logo there. It's plastic. So let's have a look at this. So obviously that will mount in there. We have that option. But I believe, yeah. Well, that's good. Quick release. Wow, and that, oh. That is strong. Ugh. Now that is a really strong magnet for sure. So that's where you're going to charge the device in the micro USB port there, and it's IP66 waterproof anyway as well. At the bottom we have a reset power switch, which will be useful when obviously you're setting it up. Let's peel this off. And there we go, camera. We have lights as well there. But yeah, that is the setup. Now obviously you've got to be careful with this material here, because this stuff does scratch quite easily. I've had similar cameras with similar sort of finishings on the main front bit, but it can pick up scratches quite easily. But there we go, that's it. I mean, that is brilliant. I really love that. So stiff. I'm guessing, yeah, that's going to screw into there like that. So you can mount that to the wall or wherever you want to mount it. And to be honest, that's what I think I'm going to be doing with it. I'm going to be mounting it on that really strong magnetic ball mount. And you can move it quite easily like that. Fantastic. So I'm going to download the app and set this up. So the next video you will see will be part 2, the installation process and obviously the review of the camera. Thanks very much for watching, guys. If you've got any questions, then pop them down below and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.